Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Narayan. So guys, my name is Narayan and I am learning English through online, through social media and through entire internet. So guys, stay connected with me to see my journey, what I am saying, what to I am learn English. So guys, yesterday I read Word Power Mad Easy book. So today I also read this book and in this book next page. So guys, start with the page number of we are yesterday read. So season 6 today we are start season 6 Word Power Mad Easy book. So start origins or related words. The strengtheners strength strength TENER strengthener. The orthopedics ORTHOPAEDIST orthopedic is so called from the Greek roots ortho strength or correct and paidos child. The orthopedics by etymology 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 strengthens child. The terms was coined coined in 1741 by the author of a textbook on the prevention of childhood disease. At the time, the correction of spinal curvature in children was a main concern of practitioners. PRACTITIONER practitioners of orthopedics ORTHOPAEDICS orthopedics AWOPEDICS. Today the specialty SPECIALITY specialty treats treats deformities DEFORMITIES deformities, injuries INJURIES injuries, and disease DISEASES of the BONES bones and joints 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 of adults as well as children. Of course, of then the surgical procedure procedures. Adjective ADJECTIVE adjective. Orthopedic orthopedics orthodontic. The strengthening STRAIGH strength TENING strengthening of teeth is build the orthos plus orthos tooth. The orthodontist orthodontist specialized the improving your bite, retracting retracting buck teeth, and by means of brains and other technique, seeing to it that every molar insidious bicuspid, etc. It exactly where it belongs in your mouth. Adjective, orthodontic. The heart. Cardiologist combines Greek cardi, heart, and logos, science. The specialty is cardiology, cardiology. The adjective cardiological, cardiological. Now we read next page. We finish this page. So the cardiac condition, condition, condition refer to some malfunction, malfunctioning, malfunctioning, of the heart. A cardiogram is an electrically produced record of the heartbeat. The instrument that produce the record is called cardiography. The nervous system. Neurologist derive from neurology derives from Greek neuron, nerve plus logos, science. Specialty, neurology, neurology. Adjective, neurologic is acute pain along the nerves and their branches, branches. The word come from neuron plus allogs, pain. Neuritis is inflammation of the nerves. Neurosis, combining neuron which osis, a suffix, suffix meaning abnormal or diseased, diseased condition is not, despite its etymology. Etymology is disorder of the nerves, nervous, but rather is described, described by the late Eric Berne, a psychiatrist, psychiatrist, an illness characterized, characterized by excessive, excessive use of energy, of unproductive, unproductive purpose. So the personality development is hindered, hindered or stopped a man who spent most of his time worrying about his health, continuing his money, plotting revenge, or washing his hands can hope for little emotion growth. Neurotic is both the adjectival form and the terms for a person suffering from neurosis. The mind. A neurosis is not a form of mental unbalance. A full-blown mental disorder is called psychosis. Psychosis, a word built on Greek psy, psych, spirit, soul or mind plus osis. A true psychotic has lost connect when reality at least with reality, as most of the perceive it through. No doubt psychotic. Note that this word, like neurotic, is both a noun and an adjective. People have their own form of reality. Build a psi plus eotria, medical healing, and psychiatric by etymology is a mind healer. The specialty is psychiatry. The adjective is psychiatric. Pediatrics, as you know, is also built on area as a generics. The specialty dealing with the particular medical need of the elderly. This word combines atria with Greek grace, old age. Now we read next page. So next page was here some meaning, so for the next page now we start here. Two key of success: self-discipline and persistence. You have achieved a superior vocabulary in phenomenally short time given self-discipline and persistence. The greatest aid in building self-discipline is, as I have said, matter of devising a practical and comfortable schedule for yourself and then keeping to that schedule. Make sure to complete at least one season each time you pick up the book, and always decide exactly when you will continue with your work before you put the book down. There may be periods of difficulty. Then is the time to exert the greatest self-discipline, the most determined persistence. For every pace that you study will help you attain a mastery over words. Every day that you work will add to your skill in understanding and using word. End of season 6. Now we read next page. Brief intermission 2. Random note on modern uses. English grammar is confusing enough as it is. What make it doubly confounding is that it is slowly but continually changing. That means that some of the strict rule you memorize so painfully at school may no longer be completely valid. Following such out method principles, you may think you are speaking perfect English, and instead you may sound stupidly and pedantic. The problem boils down to this: if grammatical use is gradually becoming more liberal, where does educated, unaffected, informal speech end? And where does illiterate, ungrammatical speech begin? The following notes on correct trends in modern uses are intended to help you come